We're gonna be showing you how to use the Vintage Shop sampler. Once you have this sanitized and cleaned, and you wanna test your hydrometer in your sampler, what you do is you put it in, you let it fill all the way in, like so. While you're holding it in place, you grab your hydrometer and you spin it, you throw it in there a little bit. You make your reading. Once the reading is done, you can take it out and use the tip to return your wine in the bottle, like so. It just tilted a little bit. That way you're not wasting anything, you're getting a proper reading. Once that's done, you can recover your hydrometer and have it ready for next testing.